Hey beautiful, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to go in and do a back to school set. It's a very pretty dainty set with the trendy like aura look, and let's see how they turn out. You let me know how they turn out. It's a really quick video just to show you step by step, and I'm just going to etch her natural nails and basically just prep them, and then I'm going to cleanse them, and then we're going to apply her nail tips. Someone sent me a method that I think it's Christy Meekin. She did apply tips with acetone, and I just wanted to try it on her. I did try it on myself on this set, and I really liked using it that way because you guys know I have a nail glue allergy, so it was perfect for me. And in this case, it worked really well for her. They were pretty sturdy, but I would say that if you're going to alter the tip significantly, it didn't feel too secure. So I don't know, I might try it a little bit more and see how I feel about that. But if you're just gonna cut them square, yeah, it worked really nice. So just highly recommend. So shout out to Christy Meekin for this method. It's very helpful. Oh, and of course, thank you to my friend on IG for sending it to me or tagging me to show me. I really appreciate you. So I'm going to cut these down, and then I'm going to cut the side walls to help with saving time on filing. And then we're going to file it into like a kind of like an almond ovally shape. And we're trying to go for, a little more delicate look. I think that's all I have to share right now, so I'm gonna let you guys watch because it's a really quick video, so don't blink. Watch the whole video and let me know what you guys think. Give me a thumbs up if you do like it. If you are new, please subscribe. I would love to have you. If you guys have any questions on the products, just let me know. Feel free to ask. I will also leave links down in the description box. Okay, I'm gonna sign off, so thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being here. And do not give up on learning. Trust the process. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
How to keep the healing.